Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Now, burgers. Everyone loves a burger, don't they? How about an exotic burger, eh? We're doing wild burgers today, guys. I got them from a company called Keysy, I don't know. I'll put it up there where it's from. I bought these a few weeks ago. I'll show you what I'm doing in a minute, but we also had a kangaroo and a zebra. I've already done them. We had them probably a week and a half ago or something like that. I didn't do them on video. The lads had the zebra one. They didn't like them. Nat and I had the kangaroo. Nat didn't really like the kangaroo. I like the kangaroo, but the next day he gave me a really bad salty mouth all day. So today we're going to be doing these other ones we've got ourselves. I've took some screenshots, guys, and I'll put it on the screen and I'll read you a little bit about them. We've got a buffalo, and it is our buffalo quarter pounders have a bold, hearty flavour, offering a lean, tender and nutritious alternative to traditional beef. Our buffalo meat is sourced directly from Italy. That's that one. And we've also got a Mouflon. Now, do you know what a Mouflon is? I didn't even know what a Mouflon was. It is basically a wild sheep. That's what it is, guys. I think it's from Chile or somewhere like that. Our Mouflon quarter pounders have a slightly stronger flavour than lamb and a great addition to any barbecue. Our mutton meat is sourced from Chile. Sourced from Chile, yeah, this one is. That's that one. We've got a Mouflon, and we also got a wild boar, which I've never had. Our wild boar quarter pounders offers a sweet, nutty flavour, offering you a succulent burger. They are sourced from the EU. So what we're going to do is, because there's two in a pack, they have been frozen. I'm trying to defrost them as much as I can. You can cook them from frozen. So what we're going to do, we're going to cook them all up. So I've got 6 to do, 2 in each pan. I'm going to put 1 each on a burger, as you have it in a burger, because that's how you have them, really. And then I'm going to have the other one to taste on its own. You know what I mean? So let's open them up and let's show you. So here we go, guys. You've got buffalo. I've took a screenshot of the nutrition and that. I'll put it on the screen for you as we go. So we've got buffalo first, guys. Let's open that up. And I'll put the price on there as well so you can have a mooch. There's the buffalo ones. I'll leave the label on for a minute. You ain't really going to see a lot, are you, until they're cooked. You know, they're virtually defrosted now. But I'm not going to season them anyway because I want to taste the burger on its own, if you get what I mean. So I'm not going to put any salts or anything on them. On the burger bun, we will put some sauces and that on, if you get what I mean. The Mouflon, the wild sheep. Open that up. There they are. I mean, you're not going to see a lot, are you? It's all going to be in the tasting, these, ain't it, guys? And the wild boar. I was after some crocodile and that as well, but the company didn't have any in. That's the name of the place. Oh, you've ripped it, mate. Keysy. I don't know how you say it. That there, K-E-Z-I-E. And there's them ones. The good old boar. So what we'll do is we'll get my pans heated up before we do anything else, and I'll wash my hands. Right, guys, I'm hoping you can see all this, all these 3 pans properly. Just a little bit of oil in each one. That's all. And I think we're going to have to go buffalo in that one. We'll do Mouflon in that one, and we'll do the wild boar in that one. That's what we'll do. Buffalo in the front. And it says cook them low to medium for 15 to 18 minutes. That's what it says. Wild boar. Get on. And the Mouflon. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, that one smells nice, that Mouflon. I can smell that. Right, guys, all we'll do is we'll cook them up, flip them off, keep flipping them and all that stuff. nice and slow. I got myself some onions, and I'm just going to caramelise these, 2 in each, to go onto my burger. And I'll put them in there so we might get some of that flavour off the old burgers on there, mightn't we? I've already toasted my buns before I started the video. And I've got some of these cheeses. Blue Stilton burger melts from Aldi. And some Red Leicester and Harisha burger melts. Strength 2 and strength 3. So we're going to stick some of them on as well, guys. I'm thinking maybe one of each on both. One of each on each burger. That's what I'm thinking of. What do you reckon? Okay, guys, while they're cooking away, doing the thing, let's prepare the burger buns. I'm going to use some burger sauce at the bottom first. Some sauceum, which I got in the fridge anyway. I'm going to get a bit of that on each one at the bottom. Lettuce. I've got Roman lettuce, which are just sliced up, sliced and diced. We will get a tomato on the bottom, so it holds the burger a bit better, hopefully. Well, 2 tomatoes. These are beef tomatoes, guys, these are. I've just put a bit more oil onto the old Mouflon ones, guys, because they're just completely drying out. Here's my old onions. So we're going to do buffalo, Mouflon, and what was the other one? Boar. That's it. I'll put my little tripod on so you can probably see a bit better now. I've decided I'm only going to use blue cheese, guys. That's what I'm going to use. Because they're exotic, we will use just blue cheese. Them ones are looking really nice. Okay, guys, we are done. I'm going to get one each out of the pan, and then we're going to put the cheese on each one. I don't like blue cheese at all, me, so... But I reckon it might go nice with this exotic stuff. And we'll let them melt for a minute or so, then we're going to dish up buffalo burger. And we'll put them on top. We'll get the lid on. Like so. Oh yes, guys, that ain't looking bad actually. And we're going to stick in the middle. Just to hold it together, so I'll do the rest. There we go, the Mouflon. I've lost the ring or somewhere. We'll put it on that one. Put one on there anyway. And last but not least, the good old Boar. Now guys, to be honest with you, I think they look delicious. Oh yes, guys, look at them. Table time. Who needs a diet, eh? Who needs a diet? So guys, what do you reckon, eh? Oh yes, eh? They look absolutely delicious, don't they? Oh, look at them, the little stunners there. I've got a fly here, now. Get away, fly. Gourmet burgers, eh? And the normal burgers, which we're going to try first. I'm only having like a mouthful of each one of them. Because no one else in the house will eat them now after they tried the other ones. So anyway, let's have a go with the old buffalo. Smells nice actually, that buffalo does. Oh yeah. That buffalo is absolutely delicious. It really is. And you can tell, it's proper meat. That is gorgeous. Let's have a go with, this is the old, what's it called? The Mouflon. It looks a little bit dry to me, this one does. Does that say stronger flavour? Does that say stronger flavour than lamb? But it's not. Mouflon. A slightly stronger flavour than lamb, yeah. It's not. I find it a lot milder, to be honest with you guys. Yeah, I'm not too keen on that one. So we'll go with the boar. I think after that buffalo one there, oh, I don't think anything's going to beat that. There's the boar. That's like a really nice smoky sausage, that is. That's nice as well. Oh yeah, I like them too. I'm not really keen on the Mouflon. Very dry, and it's not as pungent as like lamb. But anyway, that's them done. Here we go then, guys. Here we go. This is the ones we're going to go for first. We'll do the Mouflon first because it was the worst. We'll get the one out of the middle. We'll have a bite of that beauty. Let's take the stick out. It's like eating a pair of dirty old socks with that cheese. It is. That's what it's like. I've never had dirty old socks, by the way, but that's what it's like. Oh, no. I've ruined the burgers with that cheese, I think. Now we will go for the boar, which is second, which is my second favourite on the normal one. Get the stick out. That blue cheese goes a bit better with that one, with the boar. Didn't really go with the lamb. The lamb was like, say, eating old socks. Now the main one. The one that I think is absolutely delicious. And it's kept all its meat. I don't know if you can tell on camera, compared to the others, it's virtually double the thickness still. Yeah, I've ruined them with the cheese, to be honest with you. Should have put the other cheese on. But I thought trying it exotic. You might like it like that with that cheese. I'm not really into blue cheese. But as for the burgers, I will definitely buy the two. The boar and the buffalo. I wouldn't buy the Mouflon one again. They're 100 times better than the kangaroo one I had. I didn't try the zebra, the lads did. I didn't like them. So, guys, let me know what you think. If you've had them, or you're going to try them, to do all different things as well. They do steaks and all that. All different kinds of wild animals, I suppose you can say. Exotic wild animals. They do different loads of stuff. I think they even do sausages as well. So let me know, guys. I'm definitely going to eat me buffalo one because it's absolutely delicious. Until the next time, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.